Hello, grade 2. Okay, so this will be a continuation of the lesson that we had earlier, which is day and night. So as we learned, the earth spins around its axis, right? So the earth moves around the sun. Okay, so in there, we saw that the earth axis is tilted. Like it's not straight, but it is tilted. Okay, so being that said, sometimes some places on earth get more light and heat. When a place gets more light and heat, it is summer in that place. Now, 6 months later, the same place gets less light and heat, and it's winter. So between winter and summer, we have spring and autumn. So there are 4 seasons in some countries like England, the USA, France, and China. So they have spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now how about in Thailand? So Thailand has 3 seasons. So we have the hot season, the rainy season, and the cool season. In spring, the weather is not very cold and not very hot. So in spring, people in England plant crops. How about in summer? In summer, the weather is hot. Sometimes it rains. In summer, people in France go to the beach. Okay, now how about in autumn? In autumn, the weather is not very hot and not very cold as well. It rains often in autumn. Okay, it's not very hot, it's not very cold, but it rains in autumn. In autumn, people in China pick apples. Oh, so they have apple trees. Now in winter, the weather is cold. It snows in winter. So there is a snow in winter in other places like the USA. So the people in the USA, they go skiing. You know skiing, Mai? Okay. So now next one, in Thailand, in the hot season, people in Thailand celebrate. What do people celebrate in Thailand? They celebrate Songkran. Okay. Now, in cool season, what do people in Thailand wear? It is? Okay, people in Thailand wear jackets. Oh, like now. I think it's cool season at this time because we are wearing jackets. Okay, now in rainy season, people in Thailand wear raincoats and use umbrellas, right? Okay, so again, how many seasons are there in other countries like the USA, China, and France? They have 4. Okay, very good. So what are those? They have summer, winter, autumn, and spring. How about in Thailand? How many seasons do we have in Thailand? There are 3. Okay, so we have hot season, rainy season, and cool season. Okay, so now we're done with that. So let's move on to your activity. So for your activity, you are going to unscramble the words. So you're going to try to figure out what is the word for each. Okay? So that is for your activity 1. Okay, so what season do you think is the answer there? Okay, so now for activity 2, you are going to answer the following questions. Number 1, how many seasons are there in Thailand? Number 2, what is the cold season called in the USA? Number 3, what do people in Thailand do in the hot season? Number 4, when do people in Thailand wear jackets? And number 5, in which 2 seasons is the weather not very cold and not very hot? Now for activity 3, you are going to complete the sentences, use the words in the box. So we have 8 words here: summer, rainy, 3, season, 4, seasons, cool, and snow. So you're going to fill in the blanks. You are going to complete the sentences. So for number 1, there are blank in Thailand. The blank blank and the blank season. So what do you think is the answer? Number 2, these are blank blank in England. Number 3, in blank the weather is hot. 4, it is blank in winter. Number 5, in blank people in France go to the beach. Okay, so now write your answer on your worksheet. Goodbye!